Okay, hola, language explorers. Vamos a ver palabras de comunicación. Communication. Communication. Communicate. Ah, perfect. Communication. There we are. Very good. So, primero, carta. Carta, letter. And correo electrónico. Correo de electrónico, email. Email. Llamar de telefónica. Llamar de telefónica. And voice message. So, correo de voz. So, voicemail. Voice. We got email, electronic mail, in voicemail. And text message. Mensaje de texto. Let's have a look. Phone. Mensaje de texto, like this. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, there we go. Very good. Yeah. Text message. Mensaje de texto. And red social. Social network. Red social. A memo. Más o menos mismo. Memo. And chat en online. En línea. Chat en línea. On correo. Chat online. Mail, correo, or publicación. Publicación, like to post something online. Post something online. Post something online. Yeah, I'll call this that. And nota. Let's try and get nota. Yeah, nota, like this almost. Nota. Very good. So, inbox. Bandeja de entrada. Inbox. Bandeja de salida. Outbox. Bandeja de entrada. Inbox. Inbox. And outbox. Inbox, entrada. In. Salida, out, or exit. Bandeja de salida. And draft. Borrador. So write a draft letter. Write a draft email. Write a draft letter. Write a draft email. Very good. And junk mail, or spam, más o menos mismo spam, junk mail, correo no deseado. No deseado. Yeah. And trash, basura or papelera. Papelera. Trash. Perfect, there we are. Trash. There we are. Very good. So attachment. Let's try and get a paper clip. Here we are, like an attachment. There we are. Perfect. Attachment. So correo electrónico, email with an attachment. With an attachment. So adjunto. Adjunto. Very good. Adjunto. Don't need that. Adjunto. And subject. Now, subject. Asunto, but a subject of the email. A signature, that's it. A signature, the subject in the lesson, classroom, subject, but asunto, subject of the email, of the letter. What is it about? The subject. Contacto. Signature, firma, or is it firma? Firma. And to print. Ooh, nice. Para imprimir. So let's try and get a picture. Perfect. Para imprimir, to print. Very good. To print. Para imprimir. Very good. Reply, responder. Responder a todos All, todos. Reply to all. Responder. Responder a todos. Reenviar. Reenviar. To get an email. To forward. To forward. Reenviar. Forward. To send. So send would say enviar. That's it. Enviar. To send. Voy a enviarte un mensaje. I'm going to send you something. I'm going to send you a gift. Voy a enviarte un regalo. I'm going to send you a gift. Going to send you a gift. Yeah. And delete. Borrar. To delete. Well, borrar. 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 Let's have a look. So cross to delete something. There we are. Yeah. Delete. Delete. Borrar. Yeah. How cool is that? So letter, email, phone call, voice message, text message, social network, memo, chat online, mail, post, note, inbox, outbox, draft, junk mail or spam, trash, attachment, subject, contact, signature, print, to reply to all, to forward, to send, to delete. So, puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. También puedes encontrarme en Udemy con más clases de inglés para ti. Vamos a continuar explorando.